Hi, my name is Christian, and we are here at the Kitchen Appliances at Dreame at CES 2026.
And there's some cool looking fridges here.
Absolutely. So we have an advanced fridge over here. So as you open it, we have our goodies over here. We got our pops, we have our fruits, everything well organized so that way you can be able to compartmentalize your foods, your beverages, things of that
Here
nature.
it says it can do sparkling in seconds.
It can.
Nice. Instant sparkling solution. Nice. With a CO2 cylinder. That's right there built in. That's cool.
Absolutely.
That's like a dream.
Absolutely. And over here, we have our ice maker. So we call it the Aura Bullet ice maker, because it has an aura to it. So, it speaks
That's
for
cool.
itself.
Nice.
And we're gonna head over to the kitchen over here. We got our plates, we have our stove, we have our pots, we have, let's see what we have over here. We have our microwave and our oven as well. So you can be able to utilize them both.
Right.
And
Here's some fryers.
air fryers, we got the air fryers over here. So it's a DZ30 dual zone steam crisp. And also we have a good cake mixer. So this is the Bione MX60. So this can be able to mix your good, your good cakes, your good flour. And then also we have the Blend Logic blender.
Nice.
So this is very essential for your smoothies and
you even have a
whatever you
coffee
wanna
machine
make.
it has a milk area here built in.
Yes.
Espresso machine. Looks good. All right.
Yes.
So you have the whole bunch of appliances. It's pretty cool.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.